Welcome to the charming Disney Newport Bay Club, nestled on the shores of Lake Disney, just a short scenic stroll from the Disneyland Park in Paris and the newly rebranded Disney Adventure World. My name is Taylor with the Vacationeer, and today we're stepping inside a Compass Club suite and covering every detail to give you a complete look at what to expect before you secure your stay. Before booking, remember to contact the Vacationeer for exclusive rates and insider knowledge like how to get park tickets included with your stay. Our concierge services provide value you won't find anywhere else, so reach out today to secure the best deal on your next Disney vacation. The Compass Club suites here at the Newport Bay Club take your vacation to the next level, just like club level tiers at Disney's flagship properties. Making the jump from a superior room to a Compass Club suite unlocks a world of exclusivity, convenience, and 5-star service that completely changes the pace of your vacation. The luxury begins the exact moment you arrive. Instead of standing in the main lobby lines, Compass Club guests are escorted to a private dedicated reception desk for an intimate check-in experience. You'll also get exclusive access to the Compass Club concierge team, but the crown jewel of this upgrade is the private Compass Club Lounge. Located right in the heart of the resort, this is a quiet, upscale sanctuary away from the main crowds, and the amenities included here add massive financial value to your trip. Like the private breakfast, every morning you can bypass the busy buffet lines downstairs and enjoy a relaxed, premium breakfast right here in the lounge. There's also a daily tea time. In the afternoon, the lounge hosts a sweet and savory tea time spread. It features delicate pastries, sandwiches, and treats that are perfect for a midday recharge. And of course, all-day refreshments. Having a private space just a short walk from the park gates to grab a cold soda or a quick caffeine fix is a total game changer. On top of lounge access, Compass Club rooms have the best views on property, and this suite has arguably the best views in the whole resort. So without further ado, let's jump right in and tour the suite. As you step inside, you're greeted with an entry hallway that houses all of the primary storage. On one side, there's a closet with full-length hanging space, an iron and an ironing board, and the room safe. Directly opposite, you'll find a second closet equipped with built-in shelving, along with some nifty high-end touches like a dedicated shoe brush and a shoehorn. The entryway also features a connecting door, which can be utilized to expand your living space and connect with the suite next door. A fantastic option for larger families or groups traveling together. Stepping into the bathroom, you'll find a beautifully upgraded space featuring a large double vanity and a classic shower tub combo. The double vanity perfectly embraces the resort's theme with subtle nautical touches like rope accents framing the large mirror, all set against that classic navy and white color palette. It's equipped with a backlit magnifying mirror and a built-in hairdryer on one side, and plenty of lower storage to tuck your travel essentials away. Because this is a Compass Club suite, you'll enjoy upgraded bathrobes as well as premium bath amenities both on the vanity and in the shower. One detail I really appreciate is that the integrated jacuzzi tub is oversized, meaning it's plenty spacious for the kiddos, but also big enough for adults to enjoy a relaxing soak after a long day in the parks, or maybe too many rides on Indiana Jones. If you know, you know. The tub features an adjustable shower wand alongside more of those upgraded bath amenities. And to round out the space, the toilet is tucked privately away in its own room in the corner. Moving into the bedroom area, you'll quickly see why this is one of my absolute favorite suites on the property. The overall theme of the Newport Bay Club is that you're visiting the coastal cottage of a retired admiral, and these premium suites are designed to replicate his private living quarters. I absolutely love the details scattered throughout the room, showcasing unique items he theoretically collected during his maritime journeys all around the world. And because this bedroom is set inside one of the resort's iconic corner turrets, you are treated to dual aspect windows overlooking both the beautiful lake and the lush resort courtyard. The large bed features upgraded premium bedding and linens with plenty of clearance underneath to tuck your large bags away, plus a convenient bench at the foot of the bed. Nightstands flank both sides with drawers for smaller items, and because this is one of the top level suites on property, you'll be greeted by special welcome gifts to surprise and delight your family and kick off that Disney magic the moment you walk in. Next to the bed is a large desk that doubles perfectly as a vanity, complete with a mirror hanging on the wall. This area is the definitive charging hub of the room, featuring a myriad of power options, 4 European plugs, 1 UK plug, and 2 USB ports right at the desk, plus an additional European plug just to the left. The desk also offers tons of drawer space to tuck items away, and right next to it is a sleek wet bar area equipped with a sink, a small mini fridge tucked below, and 2 more European plugs and extra shelves for storage. Tucked in the corner of the room is your flat panel smart TV, offering a great selection of entertainment and resort information, and set just below the TV is one of my favorite features, the Lavazza coffee maker, which is refreshed daily with your preferred flavors. You'll also find a kettle for tea with a truly excellent upgraded selection, as well as hot chocolate for the kiddos and the young at heart. Tucked right beneath the beverage station are 4 additional drawers, which come in incredibly handy if someone is utilizing the living area as a sleeping space. The living area itself features 2 cozy chairs and a spacious couch that pulls out to accommodate additional guests. To round it all out, there's a full dining table set for 4, perfect for an in-room family breakfast or an evening game night as you wind down from a long, magical day in the parks. Speaking of the parks, the Newport Bay Club is just a quick 10-minute walk from both Disneyland Park and Adventure World. For families, this proximity is a massive plus. It gives you the freedom to easily pop back for a midday nap, a quick outfit change, or a quiet break from the crowds without having to wait for a shuttle or transfer. Beyond your room, there's so much to explore. You can enjoy delicious cuisine at the Yacht Club restaurant or feast like royalty at the Cape Cod buffet. You can also unwind with a signature cocktail at the captain's quarters, take a refreshing dip in the Nantucket pool, or simply stroll around the lake and enjoy the peaceful setting. But you'll probably find me in that Compass Club lounge most of the day. Ready for the grand tour? Dive into our full resort guide or check out our videos touring the other rooms and suites. We also have detailed room tours of nearby Disneyland Hotel right here on the channel for you to explore as well. To make the most of your Disneyland Paris vacation, reach out to your Vacationeer advisor or click the booking link down below and get started. We handle every detail of planning so you can simply sit back, relax, and soak up every bit of the Disney magic. This is Taylor from the Vacationeer, and if this tour helped you envision your next royal getaway, please give it a like, hit subscribe, and share it with all your Disney friends.